Okay, good morning. Slept pretty well, although it was a bit wet. Definitely, this tent has some condensation issues, but it's a single wall tent, so that's pretty expected. It's the second day in a row putting on wet socks. But the sun is out, so once I stop freezing, everything should warm up. But and dry off, it's the main thing. So 14 miles into Two Medicine, where I'll decide if I push on to East Glacier or not. So see you guys. I'm not sure. That's Ricky Bobby over there. Little baby Jesus. I heard you guys are going the Lays route?
Well, that's what I was thinking, but it depends on the snow.
Yeah. Honestly, I'm down for whatever. I mean, are you guys camping at Two Medicine?
Yeah.
Then yeah, I'll go the alternate route with you guys. Best feeling is when you make it to the top of your climb. And I made it. Other hikers, it's a good day. Oh shit, yeah.
You're not gonna see anything anyways.
We're gonna try going that way, which is the Lays alternate, but I don't think we're doing it. All right, made it to Two Medicine, 12:45, almost 15 miles. Pretty good day, including one Peterman or something pass. I don't know, I'm terrible with names, as you probably already know. Yeah, I'm just gonna rest here, get some food, and then, I don't know, maybe head out, or we'll see what the other guys are doing.
I came in who was cleaning the place. It was another dude. He like started kicking the bunks and he like kicked my pack over. He's like, "Get up, it's time to go." I was like, "Excuse me."
Isn't that the guy who, tell your story.
He kicked me out
It's like,
because I was sick.
Hey, good morning. This is day 22. Basically, last night I made it to Two Medicine, and that was fantastic because look at that thing. What is that? Grouse? Turkey? Who knows? Maybe a grouse. But there's like a female one up there. He's like ready to go. This is a war, the world is for making electricity, but you can feel it in your mind, you can feel it all the time. Plug it in and change the world.
Silly girl shocked me like an electric eel. Baby girl, turn me on with your electric feel. Silly girl shocked me like an electric eel. Baby girl, turn me on.
All right, good morning. It's day 22, I believe. I'm gonna lose track one of these days, but just getting back on trail. Have about 6-7 days of food on me. I'm gonna try to bust out this 200-mile section in about 6 days, maybe 6.5. I'm looking for a 25-mile plus day today. It's about 8:20, and today is absolutely beautiful. Probably have some afternoon showers. Rained a little last night, but man, look how beautiful today is. Should be easy miles, maybe some mud. Hopefully mosquitoes are taking a vacation. But East Glacier was great. There's stayed at things like Brownie's Hostel. It runs quite the operation. They have hostel upstairs and like a cafe downstairs, so I definitely spent a lot of money there. But it was nice to relax and just drink some beers and hang out with other hikers. Actually started, feels like a real hiker community now. So some of my trail buddies are up ahead a bit, probably about 2-hour head start on me. And then I think Ricky Bobby might take a 0 because his Achilles is really hurting him. So hopefully we'll all meet up shortly.
Shock me like an electric eel. Baby girl, turn me on with your electric feel. Silly girl, shock me like an electric eel. Baby girl, turn me on with your electric feel. All along the eastern shore, put your sockets in the sea. And this is a war the world is for, making electricity. You can free your mind.
What's up?
Are there 4?
Yeah, and the yeah, there's more. The teddy bear story is not the nicest story in the world either.
No.
Silly girl shocked me like
About a mile into the CDT after a quick break. It's supposed to be like the section where there's a bunch of blowdowns. So far the trail crews have done a really good job clearing the trail. Nothing so far, and it looks like the trails have been like freshly trimmed. So thank you very much, CDT. Okay, what's up guys? It's a day 22 recap. Basically I had a 27-mile day today. Hiked 15 miles out of East Glacier and met Ricky Bobby's parents, and they cooked us some hot dogs and some chili, which was fantastic. Tonight I'm camping with the rest of the gang, so that's been a lot of fun, just hiking with others as well. I am extremely tired, but I feel great because I did 27 miles with 6 to 7 days of food. So that's great. The pack I have, the Hyperlight, man, that's an incredible pack. I'm really happy with my shoes. Just everything is just working out really well. So much better than New Mexico. My morale is completely changed. You know, today was a pretty easy day. I think we went to 6,000 feet. We had like a 6,000 foot climb one time. Not 6,000 foot, but we went up to elevation 6,000 feet, which was a pretty easy climb. And then, yeah, it's just basically between like 5,500 and 6,000. Mosquitoes are out, as you can tell, like crazy. I'm about to jump in this river right now. Wash these legs off. Look how dirty those bad boys are. I just kind of do my nightly ritual before getting into camp, so you know it doesn't get all like dusty in there. And then eat some food and call it a night. Try to do 30 tomorrow, but if not, anything over 25 would be great. So yeah, hope you guys are having a great time back home. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
This is a war, the world is for making electric.
Ooh, all right, good morning. Day 23. I am just getting finished with my morning climb for breakfast. I'm about maybe 5 or 6 miles into my day. And I think I'm only going up to like 6,300 in elevation, but just starting off this morning. It's thundered, showered all night, so I am definitely wet and cold. But I'm loving this. It's so beautiful up here. Look at this view. Woo!
Tell me all you let you feel.
Got about I think 27-mile day, and yeah, it's gonna be a good one. Hiking with Rattles, Aladdin, and Nomad. Ricky Bobby is behind us somewhere, but yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. All right, I lied. We're like 7,300 feet up. Big climb, but so beautiful. All right, so it looks like day 23 is killing me. Supposed to do 17 miles. I think it's just after 1:30 maybe. Yeah, 1:30, and I have about 14 more miles to go. I think 14.7. The whole group actually is just pretty beat. So if we don't make 27, we're gonna do 25, which is the spot before. I think I could do it. I mean, I'm just gonna take my time. I just think it's just being wet all the time, you know, just constantly like drying out my gear, even though today is not the greatest day to dry it out, but I think, you know, it probably is better than nothing. It just, wet socks, muddy terrain, it just makes it hard. And you're just using muscles that you're not usually, you know, your stabilizer muscles, just wears you out. But yeah, I had lunch. Have a little decent climb ahead of me, but nothing too crazy, not like with the one we went over. So yeah, I'll see you a little bit later. Bye. Ooh, all right, just a little afternoon thunder shower. Good thing I got everything sort of dried out for camp. So hopefully this will just last, I don't know, an hour or so. Definitely tired of being wet. Want some warm weather. Feels like Washington up here in Montana. Just gotta get to camp.
Tell me all you let you feel.
Okay, good evening. So this is day 23 recap. Basically today was very challenging. I'm extremely exhausted. We did about 28.6 miles, but the day started off extremely wet and very soggy and muddy. So for me, at least, it's really hard to get out of camp. But I don't know, around 8:30, finally made my way out, which was fine. And then right away we had a climb, so just kind of a slow day. I think we did 15 miles, maybe 1 o'clock, and typically, actually maybe by 2. Yeah, I think closer to 2. But we did finish stronger. We got to camp by 7, which is great. It was the first bigger day I've done since being back on the CDT, and the terrain is more challenging because it's raining on you while you're walking, so you have mud to deal with. And river crossings, but I mean there's no stones, so you just basically trudge on through. But it's about 4 days out of Lincoln on the 7-day stretch. Well, it's like 6.5-day stretch, and I think we're set up pretty well. So overall, another great day. It's fun hiking with others, but yeah, it's extremely challenging. I'm very exhausted at the moment. Hopefully I'll get some good rest tonight, and there'll be no rain for tomorrow. Good night.